Jumping rope with a short workout can be your holy grail. It's one of the best ways to get in shape. In fact, this is my workout routine that I'm going to show you that I'm doing for the next 6 weeks to get prepared for that winter grind. So come along with me and steal my workout. So of course, we're going to start out with the jump rope. Now this is my cross rope. It's the heavy jump rope. It's about 2 pounds. Just to get a nice warm up. You're going to do this for about 1 to 2 minutes. You can get warmed up, get your back nice and loose, and get ready for the workout. You're going to be a little tired after this. You just lather enough for the workout, if you understand. Now of course, I've spoken a lot about the benefits of jump ropes, and if you want to see more about that, you can check out those videos. Now in this workout, I'm going to explain to you the benefits of each and every exercise. It's not a very long workout, but it's going to work every part of your upper body. Jumping rope is the perfect warm-up to pair with a short workout. It's explosive, it gets your legs going, gets your back warmed up, and get you ready to go with all these benefits here. There are a lot of training tools that you can warm up with, but my favorite is a jump rope for a few reasons. They're very good for getting your heart rate up quickly because you can easily scale your intensity level by changing your choice of exercise. Jumping rope challenges both your coordination and focus, and this is extremely helpful when doing challenging workouts. A short jump rope session before your workout not only warms up your body, but it also warms up your mind. There's a plyometric component to jumping, which is great if you're preparing for a dynamic or a explosive workout. Now let's add a heavy jump rope to that warm up. A heavy jump rope is great for getting your upper body engaged. If you see me right here, I'm using my half-pound cross rope, and it's great because it gets all of your muscles firing. The jump rope is also a great portable tool. You can literally jump rope anywhere. You can take it with you, you can stick it in your bag, you can take it to the gym, or you can take it to the beach. Anywhere you go, you can get a nice warm up in before your workout. Next, we have dumbbell bench. With proper form, the dumbbell bench activates muscle groups throughout your upper body, including your triceps, pectoral muscles, and interior deltoids. The dumbbell bench press allows your shoulders and elbows to go through greater range of motion than barbell bench press. As you lift the dumbbells during this exercise, you stabilize your muscles in your arms, shoulders, lower back, and core. By using a pair of dumbbells rather than a single piece of equipment like a barbell, you're able to get strong on both sides. Neither your left or your right will be favored because you have the same amount of weight on each arm. You also don't necessarily need a spotter. In my workout, I do 3 sets of 10. Now while this is a beginner based workout, I won't go too deep into it, but there are different ways that you can hold your hands that can activate different muscles when you're working out. Next up, dumbbell rows. Here are 5 benefits of dumbbell rows. Dumbbell rows help you build a stronger back. Dumbbell rows put special emphasis on your back muscles, including your lats, traps, and even more. Dumbbell rows are also a great upper body workout. Although the dumbbell row prioritizes your back, it also provides comprehensive upper body workout by activating several other muscle groups, including your chest, core muscles, glutes, lower back muscles, and triceps. Dumbbell rows can improve your posture. By building your upper body strength, the dumbbell row is one of the best exercises for improving your posture. The dumbbell row allows for a greater range of motion than the traditional barbell row, enhancing your shoulders and elbow mobility. The dumbbell row is a good option for building your grip strength, especially if you're just starting out. There are other variations of the dumbbell row, but the one I'm doing right here is the one-arm dumbbell row. Next up, the horizontal pull-up. The horizontal pull-up is great because you really don't need that much equipment. It's easier than the regular pull-up, so if you're not quite strong enough to do a regular pull-up, it's perfect for you, but it can actually get the same muscles stronger. For this workout, I do 3 sets of 10. Now, if you really want to get stronger, you want to know how jumping rope affects your mind and your body. Check this video out right here. I'm sure it's going to help you. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.